Hello friends, today we are going to make focaccia bread. So for this we need 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar and half cup of warm water. And we will give it a mix. And we will keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes it will be fermented. Now we will add 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil to it, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of seasoning, and we'll give it a mix. Now we will add 1.5 cup of flour to it and give it a mix. Now we will start kneading the dough with our oiled hand. And now we will put some more oil to the dough and we'll knead it again. Now our dough is ready. Now we will take a glass baking dish and we'll brush it with some olive oil. Now we will put the dough in the dish and we'll arrange the dough with our fingers and we'll give it a shape like this. Now we will brush some olive oil on the top and we'll cover it with a damp cloth. And we'll keep it aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, dough will become double in size and fluffy. Now we will punch the dough with our oiled fingers like this. And we'll brush it again with some olive oil. Now we will sprinkle some chili flakes, some oregano and rosemary. Now we will place some sliced onion and sliced capsicum on the top. Now we will sprinkle some salt on it and it's ready to go in the oven. We will preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and we'll keep it in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our focaccia bread is ready and ready to serve with the dips of your choice. For serving, just scrape the bread from the sides using a knife and flip it on a plate and remove the dish. And it's soft and ready to serve. Just flip it again and cut it into the pieces. It should be soft like this. Now you can enjoy your focaccia with your favorite dips. And if you want to check the recipes for these two dips, check the another video I have posted. Thanks for watching.